Hello. Hello. My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, before we get started, I would like to say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We truly appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. But before we start, I would like to say, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my videos, which are Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Come on, let's get into the video. All right, let me put my glasses on because I don't want to miss any good of this information. Okay, so today we are going to talk about detoxing our body as far as some herbs, essential oils, and also some fruits and vegetables that can help you detox your body. Get some of the toxins out of your skin. So the top 5 essential oils to help you detox are orange, sweet orange essential oil, rosemary essential oil, tea tree, turmeric essential oil, and black pepper. So that's orange, rosemary, turmeric, tea tree oil, and black pepper will help you to detox your body. As far as herbs are, we have mint, ginger, which is good for the gut, dandelions, excellent for your liver, cinnamon, and black and cayenne pepper, which is good for detoxing your blood. Cayenne pepper, cinnamon, dandelion for your liver, ginger for your gut, which is your intestines, your stomach, and mint. Those are all the herbs. And the best fruit and vegetables to detox are watermelon, excellent for detoxing your cells, cucumber, of course, for cells. Lemon will help you detox your liver. Lime also helps to detox your liver. Grapefruit, absolutely. Liver once again. And berries for your kidney. And when we say berries, we're talking about strawberries, blackberry, raspberry, boysenberries, all type of berries, raspberry. The quote of today is decide. Decide is the quote of today. What are you going to decide today? Is there something that you need to make a decision on? Then do it. Today is the day. That's our quote of the day. Decide. I have another detox bath recipe that I'm going to give you. Don't worry about writing it down or grabbing a pen and paper. It will be definitely listed below in the description, okay? And the detox bath, here's another one, is 2 cups of Epsom salt, 1 cup of Bentonite Clay, and a half a cup of Angelica Root. Once again, a detox bath is 2 cups of Epsom salt, 1 cup of Bentonite Clay, and a half a cup of Angelica Root powder. You are going to put that in a warm tub of water. You're going to soak your body for 20 to 30 minutes. You're going to rinse off in cool water and wash with a natural soap, like one of mine's, of course. Oh, by the way, go visit my Etsy shop, Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands. Shameless plug, right? Okay, guys. Be right back. Glennceria Loving Hands family, I love you so much. I just wanted to come in and give you that quick information. I'm doing a lot of researching, going over all my books and finding all kind of gems and tidbits and secrets. And once I pull them out and find them, I jump right on here onto YouTube and share them with you, with my YouTube family, which I love so much. and all my supporters. Thank you for subscribing to our family. Once again, have a wonderful day. Love you, love you, love you. Mwah. From Glennceria Loving Hands. I see you in the next video, okay, guys? Don't forget, hit that notification bell. Like, subscribe, and share my videos. Love you. See you in the next one. Bye for now.